Let's take a look at Cloud IAM. So this lets you control who has specific permissions to access Google Cloud resources. IAM standing for Identity Access Management. Every cloud provider has an IAM solution, but each one works slightly different. So let's talk about the three major components, and then we will go deeper in future videos. So the first one is the principal identifier. This will just be called principal when you are in the Google console. But this is either individuals or systems accessing resources. This could be a user, a service account, a group. So just understand the word principal is going to be something that identifies something that is going to get permissions. Then you have roles. So this defines what action or permissions a member can perform. And so this example roles could be things like viewers, editor, or custom roles. You can make your own. And we'll talk about some of the most popular roles in GCP so you have an idea. Then within roles, you actually have your policy. So these are the rules that connect members for who with the roles with permissions for specific resources. So this could be a policy that might allow a group to view project details but not make changes. But anyway, this is an overview, and then we will jump deeper into this, okay?